Good morning, children. Today we'll discuss about the exercise questions of Chapter 5 Government, Society, and Culture under the Delhi Sultanate. Let's start with the first one, that's choose the correct answer. In the Sultanate period, the paymaster of the army was known as Bakshi. He was the prime minister who supervised the work of all the officials, it's Wazir. Now, in your third question, it's asked like this, that is, the ruling clan included. In that, options are given Sultan, Princess, and Noble. So, all these three are correct. That's why all of these. Fourth question, the Quat ul Islam Mosque is in Delhi. Which new form of dance developed during the Sultanate period? It is Kathak. Fill in the blanks. In the Sultanate period, a rigid caste system was prevalent in the Hindu society. Second question, Dash was initially a devotional temple dance, Kathak. Amir Khusro was a great musician and poet. Question number 4, the construction of Qutub Minar was started by Qutbuddin Aibak and completed by Iltutmish. Development of Indo-Islamic culture was witnessed in the Delhi Sultanate period in India. Trade relation was maintained between China, East Africa, and Malaya Island. The next question is true or false. The sultans encouraged trade and commerce. True. The monuments of the Tughlaq and Lodi dynasty were more lavish than the monuments of the slave and Khilji dynasty. False. Amir Khusro popularized the music form Qawwali. True. Persian was the official language in the court of Delhi Sultan. It's true. Match the following. Wazir, Prime Minister, Tulsidas, Ramayana, Sarangi, musical instrument, Urdu, camp, and Man Kutuhal, Raja Man Singh Tomar. Now let's move to the second part, that is true. Answer the following question. First one is of brief answers and then long answers. Who looked after the religious matters of the Hindus and Muslims? Religious matters were looked after by the Brahmins among the Hindus and ulamas among Muslims. Sultan was advised on important religious matters by the Brahmins and ulamas, who emphasized on Hindu-Muslim unity. The Bhakti and Sufi saints emphasized on Hindu-Muslim unity. Question number 3. What is the height of the Qutub Minar? Its height is 72.5 meters. What were the two forms of Hindi that became popular in the Sultanate period? Two forms of Hindi were popularized in Sultanate period by the Bhakti saints, and these were known as Brij and Awadhi. Which musical instrument were brought to India by the Turks? Rabab and Sarangi were the two new musical instruments brought to India by the Turks. So these are the 5 short answers. Now we'll move to the detailed answer, which is given at the next part. We'll start with the first question. Discuss about the society during the Sultanate period. The Sultanate period, it's a society is asked, so it's usually asked as a 3-mark question, so 3 points are given. The society during the Sultanate period was categorized as ruling class, nobles, priests, peasants, etc. The Sultan was the head of administration and he enjoyed unlimited powers. Rigid caste system, sati, parda, child marriage were some social evils or customs followed by the native Indians during this time. Question number 2. What do you know about trade during the Sultanate period? During the Sultanate period, trade flourished. Delhi, Lahore, Daulatabad, etc. were main centers of trade. India traded with many foreign lands like China, Central Asia, East Africa, etc. Handicrafts, spices, and fine textile were the main articles that were exported from India. Sultans encouraged trade and commerce. They built roads, minted coins or tankas, and standardized the system of weight and measures. So that's the second answer. Now we'll move to the third question. Write briefly about the religious movements which became famous during the Sultanate period. The Bhakti movement and the Sufi movement were the two religious movements that became popular during the Sultanate period. The superstitious beliefs, rituals, and oppression of the ordinary poor, lower caste, and women faced that gave rise to the two new movements. Both movements emphasized that God was supreme, all men are equal, and bhakti or devotion to God was the way to achieve salvation. So these are the 3 points which is coming under the religious movements which took place during the Sultanate period. Question number 4. Comment on the architecture of the Sultanate period. Indo-Islamic style of architecture became popular in India during the Sultanate period. This new style emerged as a result of blending the Indian and Persian elements used in architecture. It was marked by extensive use of bricks, balconies, lotus, swastika, domes, and geographic designs, and grey stone engravings with verses from the Holy Quran. Now let's say the last question. Answer the following in detail. Write briefly about the music during the Sultanate period. The Indian music was greatly influenced by the Persian style of music and instruments. Fusion of Persian, Arabic, and Indian musical forms resulted in the creation of a new style of music in this period. So it's a fusion of Persian, then Arabic, and Indian musical form. Last point of this question. Devotional music was popularized during the Sultanate period by group singers of Bhakti as well as the Sufi saints. Now let's see the snapshot or picture study. Identify this musical instrument. It is sitar. Who invented this? Amir Khusro invented this. So that is all about the exercise of this chapter. Now the next chapter's question answers will be uploaded soon. Thank you.